Hi guys, galing kaming Pandi Manila. Bumili kami ng ito yung pinaka-favorite kong ensaymada sa Pandi Manila, yung special nila na ensaymada. Kasi marami silang ensaymada. And later this one, the pistachio. My husband loves cinnamon buns. So this one naman is cinnamon pandesal. So we try this. Okay, we try na lang the cinnamon pandesal from Pandi Manila. So ito na guys. So, ngayon. Pandesal. Cinnamon pandesal sa Pandi Manila. So, we try it. First time ko makatikim nito. Good. How about the melon?
I don't know. This one?
You like it?
I don't know.
I like also, no?
Cinnamon bun.
Bye, guys. So, try this cinnamon pandesal from Pandi Manila. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.